9 natural ways to remove blackheads to clear your skin without any harsh chemicals. Not as easy to pick as a pimple, but not exactly subtle enough to leave alone. Blackheads pretty much suck all the way around. Fortunately, I've pulled together all the best natural ways to remove blackheads so you can clear your skin without any harsh chemicals. The best part? All of these treatments are totally DIY and super budget friendly. 1. Honey rub. Crunchy Betty advised patting honey over your face for several minutes to pull the blackhead gunk out of your pores. Then, you simply rinse away the honey with water. 2. Clay mask. Mix together 2 tablespoons of Indian healing clay with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to make a super pore cleansing face mask. Leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes before washing off. 3. Homemade honey milk pore strips. Natural Remedies recommended heating milk and raw honey together in the microwave for a few seconds before mixing into a warm paste, applying to a small strip of cotton, and leaving on your nose until dry. Then, gently rip it off to remove blackheads. 4. Baking soda scrub. According to Natural Living Ideas, baking soda makes an excellent spot treatment scrub. Simply swirl together a tablespoon of baking soda with a little bit of water to make a thick paste. Scrub over the parts of your face with blackheads and leave to dry. Then, rinse with water. 5. Green tea. Another Natural Living Idea suggestion: boil a cup of water and steep 2 tea bags in it for at least an hour. Then, dab the green tea liquid onto blackheads and leave to dry. The high antioxidant content in the green tea liquid works to cleanse pores without drying them out. 6. Baking soda, lemon, and bourbon exfoliator. Bustle writer Kristen Collins Jackson shared this unconventional recipe for a de-exfoliating spot treatment to get rid of blackheads for good. To whip it up, you'll need a teaspoon of baking soda and a splash each of lemon juice and bourbon to form a thin paste. Gently rub the paste over your blackheads and rinse away. Jackson advises doing this weekly until the blackheads clear. 7. Egg white rub. A tip from Everyday Roots: egg white is a great alternative to a honey rub for pulling out stubborn blackhead gunk. You just need to pat a bit of egg white over your face, let it dry, and repeat 2 to 3 times until the entire egg white has been used. Then, once all layers are completely dry and have gotten out gunk, you can wash your face. 8. Milk and nutmeg scrub. Combine together a tablespoon of nutmeg with a splash of milk to create an exfoliating paste that will dig in and scrub out blackheads. Apply all over your face and then rinse with cool water. 9. Toothbrush and lemon. Deemed the most extreme measure you should go to in cleaning your blackheads by Crunchy Betty, the toothbrush method should be used with caution so you don't irritate your skin. She advised putting a bit of lemon juice and jojoba oil on a toothbrush before very delicately rubbing the blackheads in small circles to remove built-up dirt. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.